Today, I'll show you the real difference between Cursor AI and Claude Code, and which one actually fits your workflow. Both tools promise faster coding and better productivity, but they solve very different problems. Cursor AI is an AI-powered code editor built on top of VS Code. It works directly inside your project, understands your entire code base, and lets you generate, edit, and refactor code across multiple files in seconds. Cursor is all about speed and execution. It's made for developers who want to move fast and ship features quickly. Claude Code, on the other hand, focuses on deep reasoning and clean logic. It's excellent at understanding complex requirements, explaining code step by step, and producing well-structured solutions. Using Claude feels like working with a senior engineer who helps you think through problems before writing code. So here's the real difference. Cursor AI boosts productivity and helps you build faster, while Claude Code improves code quality and decision-making. If you want an AI that works inside your IDE and accelerates development, go with Cursor AI. If you want an AI that helps you reason, design, and avoid logical mistakes, choose Claude Code. The smartest developers don't choose one, they use both together. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and comment below which AI coding tool you're using right now.